We come to the Infoline 11 channel. Stay informed with Infoline 11, your trusted source for news and insights. Hello and welcome to my video blog on how to travel for free. Now, you may be thinking, how is it even possible to travel for free? The truth is, there are ways to travel without spending a lot of money. In this video, I will be sharing some tips and website references that will help you travel for free or at a very low cost. Tip number 1. Sign up for travel reward programs. One of the best ways to travel for free is by signing up for travel reward programs. Most airlines, hotels, and car rental companies have these programs that offer points for every purchase you make. You can then use these points to get free flights, hotel stays, and car rentals. Some popular travel reward programs include 1. Airlines, Delta SkyMiles, United Mileage Plus, American Airlines Advantage. 2. Hotels, Hilton Honors, Marriott Bonvoy, IHG Rewards Club. 3. Car rentals, Hertz Gold Plus Rewards, Avios Preferred, National Emerald Club. Tip number 2. Volunteer to work in exchange for free accommodation. Another way to travel for free is by volunteering to work in exchange for free accommodation. There are many websites that offer volunteer opportunities around the world in exchange for food and accommodation. Some popular websites include 1. Workaway. This website offers a platform for hosts to connect with volunteers who can offer their skills in exchange for food and accommodation. 2. Helps. Helps is a similar platform that offers opportunities for volunteering in exchange for food and accommodation. 3. Worldpackers. Worldpackers offers opportunities for cultural exchange through volunteering in hostels, NGOs, and social projects. Tip number 3. House sitting. House sitting is another great way to travel for free. You can find house sitting opportunities on websites such as 1. Trusted House Sitters. Trusted House Sitters is a website that connects homeowners with house sitters who can take care of their homes and pets while they are away. 2. Mind My House. Mind My House is another website that offers house sitting opportunities around the world. Tip number 4. Couchsurfing. Couchsurfing is a popular way to travel for free by staying with locals who offer their couch or spare room. You can find couchsurfing opportunities on the Couchsurfing website. Tip number 5. Use travel hacking techniques. Travel hacking refers to using travel reward programs, credit card points, and other strategies to travel for free or at a very low cost. Some popular travel hacking techniques include 1. Signing up for credit cards that offer generous sign-up bonuses and rewards for travel purchases. 2. Using travel rewards points strategically to get free flights, hotel stays, and car rentals. 3. Taking advantage of airline mistake fares and other discounted travel deals. Now, here are some websites you can use to find the best deals for your travel. 1. Skyscanner. Skyscanner is a travel search engine that allows you to find the cheapest flights, hotels, and car rentals. 2. Kayak. Kayak is another travel search engine that compares prices from different travel sites to find the best deals. 3. Google Flights. Google Flights is a flight search engine that offers price tracking and alerts for the best deals. To sum it up, there are many ways to travel for free or at a very low cost. By signing up for travel reward programs, volunteering to work in exchange for free accommodation, house sitting, couchsurfing, and using travel hacking techniques, you can travel the world without breaking the bank. Don't forget to use websites such as Skyscanner, Kayak, and Google Flights to find the best deals for your travel. Hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, please share and subscribe Infoline 11 channel. Thank you watching video with Infoline 11.